Stop scrolling because this doesn't look real. This looks like the Earth secretly made 1,200 giant chocolate truffles and forgot to tell anyone. And yet here we are in Bohol, Philippines, standing in front of over 1,000 perfectly shaped hills that stretch as far as your eyes can panic trying to count them. And the craziest part is these hills aren't man-made. They aren't volcanic cones, they aren't piles of chocolate. Although in summer they literally turn brown like melted cocoa under the sun, which is exactly why they're called the Chocolate Hills. And before you even process that, your brain starts asking how nature managed to copy-paste the same hill shape over and over again with almost creepy precision. And scientists will tell you they're made of ancient limestone, lifted from the ocean millions of years ago. But locals will tell you legends about fighting giants who threw rocks at each other until they cried and left the hills behind, or a heartbroken giant whose tears hardened into thousands of mounds. And honestly, when you see this place in person, both explanations somehow feel believable. And here's the wild part. There are more than 1,200 officially recorded hills, and possibly over 1,700 if you count every single one hiding in the jungle, which means this is one of the densest hill formations on the planet. And yet none of them are taller than about 400 feet. None of them have sharp peaks. None of them steal attention from the others. They move together like a frozen wave. And when rainy season hits, they explode into bright green like pistachio ice cream, then flip personalities in dry season and turn chocolate brown like nature is changing filters. And no matter the season, the symmetry messes with your depth perception, making it feel like the land is breathing, rolling and watching you. And if you climb the viewing deck and look out at sunrise, the mist drifts between the hills like smoke in a dream, making it feel less like a landscape and more like you accidentally walked into a fantasy level of a video game. And here's something people don't realize. These hills are protected as a national geological monument, which means you can't dig them, flatten them, or mess with them, because once they're gone, there is nothing else like this on Earth. And despite how perfect they look, nothing grows on them except grass. No trees, no forests, no tall plants, just smooth slopes that stay clean and rounded like they're being maintained by invisible hands. And scientists still debate exactly how long they took to form, ranging from hundreds of thousands to millions of years, which means these hills were already here long before humans ever thought about maps, borders, or cameras. And today millions of visitors stand here every year trying to capture it on their phones, only to realize the same thing. Photos flatten it, videos struggle, and your brain refuses to fully accept it. Because the Chocolate Hills don't hit you like a landmark. They hit you like a question. Like, how did this happen? Why here? And why does it feel unreal? And when you finally leave, the excitement doesn't fade, because this place doesn't scream power like waterfalls or mountains. It whispers mystery, repetition, patience, and time, reminding you that sometimes the most viral thing on Earth isn't loud. It's just perfectly, impossibly strange.